So hello everyone, today I'll be discussing to you about Bronfenbrenner's biological model of development. So let's start. Bronfenbrenner's biological model of development is a theory of educational psychology that studies human development over time. Theory was influenced by Lev Vygotsky, his fellow developmental psychologist. The model suggests the interaction between individual and their environment. It was categorized into various systems that shape their development over time. Bronfenbrenner's conceptualized four ecological systems that an individual interacts with, each nest within the other. He lists it from the closest person to the farthest. The first ecological system was the microsystem. The prefix micro comes from the Greek for small, and the first and most immediate layer of the nest systems. It encompasses an individual human relationships, interpersonal interactions, and immediate surroundings. An example of this system would be the relationship between an individual and his or her parents, siblings, or school environment. Next is the mesosystem, the second layer from the individual, surrounding the microsystem and encompassing the different interactions between the characters of the microsystem. For example, the relationship between the individuals, family, and their school, teachers, or administrators. In order for an interaction to be considered part of the mesosystem, it has to be direct interaction between two aspects of the microsystem and influences the development of the individual. The exosystem is the third layer and contains elements of microsystem which do not affect the individual directly but may do so indirectly. For example, if a parent were to lose their job or have their hours cut back, this would affect their child in indirect ways such as financial strain or increased parental stress. Next is the macrosystem. The prefix macro comes from the Greek for large and is used because this system was thought to be all-encompassing. The fourth and outermost layer of the bioecological model. It encompasses cultural and societal beliefs and programming that influence an individual's development. Example of this would include gender norms or religious influences. The last one is the chronal system. The chronal system includes the transition and shift in one's lifespan. This may also involve the socio-historical context that may influence a person. One classic example of this is how divorce, as a major life transition, may affect not only the couple's relationship but also their children's behavior. According to a majority of research, children are negatively affected in the first year after the divorce. The next year after it would reveal that the interaction within the family becomes more stable and agreeable.